Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm Jinky Tamayo, 27 years old, single, and no kids. I am a college graduate and I took up information technology. I have a work experience as a domestic helper in Jordan.
For how many years in Jordan?
2 years and 5 months.
When did you go to Jordan?
I went in Jordan last May 2014 until October 2016.
And how many were there in the family?
There are 4 members of the family: Sir, Madam, and the 2 twins, a boy and a girl.
Okay. And how old were the twins when you arrived in Jordan?
They are 10 years old.
10 years old. So when you left, they were 12.
12 years.
Okay. And can you tell me your duties?
My duties as a domestic helper was taking care of the kids, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing and washing the clothes, and tutoring the kids.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers and 6 sisters.
And you are the
9.
ninth. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and save for my future.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I'm willing, sir.
Okay. How about taking care of pets like dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you not afraid of big dogs?
No, sir.
Okay. And can you sing one children's song for us?
Yes, sir. I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. 2 little hands are good to see.
Very good. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your helper because I am honest, kind, and hardworking person.
Thank you very much, Miss Jinky Tamayo, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. I have a nice day.